Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Insta360 X5, a camera that has taken significant strides in both hardware and software upgrades. With its sleek new design and enhanced features, the X5 isn't just a simple refresh, it's a game changer. For those of you familiar with the X4, prepare to feel a little bit envious, as the X5 packs some fantastic improvements that will make your camera envy real. Major upgrades in the Insta360 X5 Insta360 has truly outdone itself with the X5. From the moment you get your hands on it, it's clear that this is no ordinary update. One of the most exciting new features for enthusiasts is the interchangeable lenses. Yes, you read that right. The X5 now allows you to swap lenses on your own without the need to send it off for repairs or pricey services. This is a massive leap from the X4, where lens replacements were a hassle and often expensive. The lens glass is also more durable, resistant to scratches, and better able to withstand the wear and tear that comes with active filming. The new X5 is also significantly more water resistant. You can now dive up to 15 meters deep without needing a case, making it ideal for underwater shoots and extreme conditions. This is an upgrade that the X4 just couldn't handle, and if you're into outdoor or adventure content, this is a major win.camera sensor. Bigger, better, brighter. Let's talk about the heart of any camera, the sensor. The Insta360 X5 features a 1-inch sensor, which is a notable upgrade from the 1.2-inch sensor on the X4. This change means better light sensitivity, fewer noise issues, and overall improved image quality. In practical terms, you'll notice clearer, sharper photos, especially in lower light conditions. This is particularly beneficial for night shoots where the larger sensor helps the camera capture more light, producing stunning footage in dark environments. Plus, it's not just the sensor that helps here. The pure video mode takes your night filming to the next level by using an AI-powered chip to enhance low-light video quality. It's a feature that makes a huge difference in tricky lighting conditions. Faster processing with triple AI chip. Speaking of the AI-powered chip, the Insta360 X5 is packing a triple AI chip that is claimed to be 140% faster than the X4's processor. This powerful upgrade means the X5 can handle more complex tasks at higher speeds, giving you an overall smoother experience. Whether you're shooting high-resolution video or working with heavy edits, the new chip ensures you won't face slowdowns. The processing power behind the X5 elevates it to new heights in terms of performance. Stunning video quality and HDR upgrades. For those who love video quality, the X5 has made huge improvements. The biggest change is the ability to shoot 5.7K video at 60 FPS in active HDR mode, a significant upgrade from the X4's 30 FPS limit. This makes a world of difference when filming in bright, high-contrast environments, such as sunsets or outdoor scenes with direct sunlight. The HDR upgrade also helps with capturing scenes that feature a mix of light and shadow, providing smoother, more detailed footage. If you're a fan of slow-motion video, the Insta360 X5 delivers a 120 FPS frame rate at 4K resolution. While the X4 topped out at 100 FPS, the X5's 120 FPS gives you buttery smooth slow-mo shots that are ideal for action-packed content. Whether you're filming extreme sports or just want that cinematic touch, the X5 brings your slow-motion dreams to life. Battery life and charging speed. Battery life is always a big concern for any action camera, but Insta360 has made some major strides here too. The X5 delivers up to 88 minutes of continuous 8K shooting, a nice boost compared to the 75 minutes on the X4. But if you're looking for even more shooting time, there's now an endurance mode that allows up to 185 minutes of shooting at 5.7K, 24 FPS, a game changer for long filming sessions. When it comes to charging, the X5 is twice as fast as the X4. You can get up to 80% charge in just 20 minutes, whereas the X4 would take 38 minutes to reach the same point. This means less downtime and more time capturing content. Audio and quick mount features. Insta360 didn't forget about audio either. The X5 comes with a hardware wind guard for clearer audio capture, even in windy environments. Additionally, the camera has 360-degree audio capture, so you can get rich, immersive sound for your videos. Another cool addition is the magnetic quick release mount, which allows for easy accessory swaps on the fly. Whether you're changing mounts or adjusting your camera setup, this simple feature makes the whole process more efficient. Additionally, the new gesture control feature makes it easier to shoot videos without needing to press buttons. It's one of those subtle features that once you start using, you'll wonder how you ever filmed without it. Final thoughts. When you compare the Insta360 X5 to the X4, the improvements are pretty clear. From the interchangeable lenses and bigger sensor to the faster processor and enhanced HDR capabilities, the X5 is a powerhouse that will make filmmakers and content creators alike very happy. Sure, it comes with a higher price tag, around $50 more than the X4, but with all the upgrades, it's well worth the investment. Whether you're into adventure filming, vlogging, or capturing extreme sports, the Insta360 X5 is designed to handle it all. So what do you think about the upgrades? Do you think the X5 is worth the extra cost? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more in-depth tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.